Test one, test one, test one. Hey, what's up? All right, so I've got a couple things that I want to announce and some things that I want to share with you. This is a brand new timer app, and I want to work on getting some input from you on what you like, what you'd like to see, and how this works. Hey, what's up? This is Paul Solt from Super Easy Apps. I want to show off my new timer app. In this video, I've previously shown you how to get started with a timer. You can easily type a timer 20 minutes or 20 min and start it right away. Now, a lot of times, I also need to know when I need to leave. And so I'll look at my clock here and I'll be like, okay, math is hard. I have to leave. When is a good time? How long is it going to take to get there? Is it going to be a 25-minute drive? Is it a 10-minute drive? Is it a 12-minute drive? I have to do all this math in my head, and I really don't like that. So I wanted something that was simple and convenient to use. Let's say I have a meeting at noon, so I could type something like 12 p.m., and what it will do is it will give me a timer countdown to that time. Now, this is kind of like an alarm, but it's really a countdown timer. So it's going to count down, and that's how much time I have remaining until noon. So it's 11:35 a.m. here, and you can see that it's counting down 24 minutes. So I just have over 24 minutes and a few seconds before that time. Now, let's say I want to maybe do a live stream at 2 p.m. I could type something like 2 p.m. It's going to give me the hours away that is. So this gives me a time box, and what I can do is I can move that to the top corner, and I now know how much time I have. So whatever I'm focusing on, if it's a blog post or if it's some kind of content that I'm working on, I can open that up and I can work on writing the rest of the post. And this gives me a time box so that I know, okay, this is my time. That countdown is happening, and I want to focus on this. I don't want to check Facebook. I don't want to check email. I'm going to turn my phone on airplane mode. I'm going to turn off notifications. I am going to write this post for the next 2.5 hours or however much time I have until that time. All right, so this is a great feature. You can also do something like, let's say it's 10 a.m. tomorrow. I could do a 22-hour countdown to something like that. Now, we stick to just days with the time entry, so it's not going to go into the future with a specific date. It is just focused really on a single day. You can, however, if you want to set up something that will do something like 200 hours, if you really wanted to. We really haven't optimized it for this use case yet, but it's really the time entry that I think is really the most exciting thing. And if you're used to military time, we also do support that. So we should be able to do something like 10:00 for 1000, and that should give us a countdown. Now, if I want to do something in the afternoon, let's do 1400. We could go ahead and type that. All right, so that is the timer app. We've got military time built in. So if you use 24-hour time, or if you do something different, this will be the exciting app that can work for you. All right, so if I want to know how much time I have until I need to go to bed, that's going to be around 10 p.m. So I've got, looks like 10 hours and 22 minutes remaining to do work. So that's exciting. All right, so that's Super Easy Timer. If you like this video, click the thumbs up. And then down below, there's a link on how to sign up for our beta. If you're interested in playing around with this app, sign up for that, and you can get started with our beta test when we launch it. We're going to be launching a new group very shortly. All right, so I look forward to your feedback and input on this timer app. Thanks so much.